Assalamu alaikum friends, this is Pathan Nazim and welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we will discuss about the MAHA TET examination 2024 previous year questions English subject। तो आज के इस सेशन में हम प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस देखने वाले हैं। पेपर फर्स्ट और पेपर सेकंड दोनों के लिए भी जो है तो बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट वीडियो रहेगा। फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप चैनल पर नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर देना, बेल आइकन को प्रेस ज़रूर कीजिएगा ताकि आने वाली वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंचे, और अपने फ्रेंड सर्कल में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए जिनका सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश है पेपर फर्स्ट और पेपर सेकंड के लिए। तो फ्रेंड्स, वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आपको बतलाना चाहता हूँ कि हमारे पास मुकम्मल उर्दू ग्रामर की नोट्स और मुकम्मल नफ्सियात की नोट्स, साथ ही साथ गुज़िश्ता साल पूछे गए सवालात के 500 सवालात का सेट आपको दिया जाएगा और सवालिया पर्चे भी दिए जाएंगे और व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में भी आपको ऐड किया जाएगा। इसकी फ़ीस सिर्फ़ और सिर्फ 99 रुपीज़ है। जो कोई भी स्टूडेंट इंटरेस्टेड है नीचे दिए गए नंबर पर कांटेक्ट कीजिए। तो चलते हैं हम क्वेश्चंस की तरफ। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, fill in the blank with the most suitable alternative to make the sentence logical in sense. Pranesh told her that he dash dash her very well. Option first, an understanding. Option second, understand. Option third, understood. And option last, was understanding. So friends, right answer is option number second, understand. Move to the next question. Question is, choose the most suitable alternative in accordance with the correct use of tense. Option first, Sanjana did not cook her breakfast yet. Option second, Sanjana has cooked her breakfast yet. Option third, Sanjana has not cooked her breakfast yet. And option last, Sanjana has not been cooked her breakfast yet. So friends, this question is answer is option number second, Sanjana has cooked her breakfast yet. Option second is right answer. Next question. Question is, choose the most correct alternative to complete the following sentence. For modern man, there are a number of diseases. Option first, to suffer from. Option second, for suffering. Option third, to suffer. And last option is suffering from. So friends, right answer is option number first, to suffer from. Next question is, fill in the blank with the most suitable alternative. I have not written to her dash dash, she left for America. Option first, before. Option second, after. Option third, since. And option last is for. So friends, I have not written to her since she left for America. So friends, right answer is option number third, since. Next question is, fill in the blank with the most suitable preposition. So friends, don't cite dash dash those who act contrary dash dash national interest. First option is with and to. Second option is by and to. Third option is with and by. And last option is with and with. So friends, right answer is option number first, with and to. Move to the next question. Question is, find out which part of sentence has an error. Your statement that you find this bag in the street and will not be trusted. So friends, first option is A, second option is B, third option is C, and last option is D. So friends, correct answer is option number second, B. Second option is right answer. Next question is, choose the grammatical correct sentence. Option first, the team is confident to win the match. Option second, the team is confident of winning the match. Option third, the team is confident of win the match. And last option is, the team is confident for winning the match. So friends, right answer is option number second, the team is confident of winning the match. So friends, move to the next question. Choose the word nearest in meaning to the underlined part. He is quite parsimonious by nature. First option is cruel. Second option is heighty. Third option is prodigal, and last option is measurely. So friends, right answer is option number fourth, measurely. Next question is, select the word which is closest to the opposite in meaning to the underlined word. He appears to be a phony person. First option is beautiful. Second option is unread. Third option is genuine, and last option is ugly. So friends, correct answer is option number third, genuine. Next question is, which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched as one word substitution for the given pairs? First option is genocide, murder of race. Second option is sororicide, murder of sister. Third option is oroxicide, murder of brother, and last option is martyricide, murder of mother. So friends, correct answer is option number third, oroxicide, murder of brother. Next question is, the young one of a cat is a kitten. The young one of a frog is called. First option is fawn. Second option is kid. Third option is cagnet, and last option is tadpole. So friends, correct answer is option number last, tadpole. Next question is, the cry of a dog is bark. The cry of an ape is called. First option is low. Second option is gibber. Third option is coo, and last option is hoot. So friends, right answer is option number second, gibber. Next question is, Sudhir is afraid of books. His family think that he is suffering from dash dash. First option is androphobia. Second option is logophobia. Third option is bibliophobia, and last option is hedenophobia. So friends, correct answer is option number third, bibliophobia. Next question is, fill in the blank with the suitable word. Life is to death as pleasure is to dash dash. First option is suffering, second option is pain, third option is poverty, and last option is anguish. So friends, correct answer is option number second, pain. Next question is, choose the correct meaning of the underlined Adam in the sentence. Adam is, we should guard against or green eat friends. First option is rich, second option is Julish, third option is handsome, and last option is enthusiastic. So friends, correct option is option number second, jealous. Next question is, choose the most suitable verb pairs for the sentence. Will giving evidence in the court she dash dash. Option first, broke up. Option second, brought down with. Option third, broke with, and last option is broke down. So friends, correct answer is option number last, broke down. Next question is, select the combination of number so that letters arranged accordingly will form a meaningful word. R, U, S, G, and A. So friends, correct answer is option number third. Next question is, move to the next question. Question is, select the one which best expresses the given sentence in passive voice. I know her. First option is, she is known by me. Second option is, she was known by me. Third option is, she was known to me, and last option is, she is known to me. So friends, right answer is option number last, she is known to me. Next question is, choose the one which best expresses the following sentence in indirect speech. He said to her, are you coming to the party? Option first, he told her if she was coming to the party. Second option is, he asked her whether she was coming to the party. Next option is, he asked her that if she was coming to the party, and last option is, he asked her if she will be coming to the party. So friends, right answer is option number second, he asked her whether she was coming to the party. Next question is, choose the correctly spelled word. First option is millionaire, second option is millionaire, third option is millionaire, and last option is millionaire. So friends, correct option is option number third, millionaire. Next question is, choose the misspelled word. First option is career, second option is career, third option is zodiac, and last option is sergeant. So friends, correct option is option number last, fourth option, sergeant. Next question is, choose the correct alternative to fill in the blank. He bought dash dash ice cream. He bought dash dash ice cream. First option is N, second option is A, third option is the, and last option is no article. So friends, right answer is option number first, N. Next question is, choose the correct question tag for the following sentence. I shall phone you tomorrow. First option is shall I question mark, second option is shalln't I question mark, third option is shan't I question mark, and last option is shan't I question mark. So friends, correct answer is option number 4. Next question is, name the underlined subordinate clause. What you said is absolutely correct. First option is noun clause, second option is adjective clause, third option is relative clause, and last option is adverb clause. So friends, correct answer is option number first, noun clause. Next question is, this question is last question. Choose the appropriate alternative to fill in the blank. Sentence is, the players remonstrated dash dash the umpire dash dash his partiality. So friends, first option is with to, second option is with against, third option is to against, and last option is to with. Right answer is option number second, with against. So friends, today that enough for now. See you next time, next video. Thank you very much indeed for your cooperation, and have a nice day.